are loaded, Captain.
Then let's lock it up now.
Oleg! Grab my hand!
Something's jamming the hydraulics, Captain.
Well, then get it out, for Christ's sake. I can't fire up the engines until we get a good seal on that gate.
Captain, we have a breach in the zoological bay.
Can you zoom in?
Yeah.
I know those kids.
What is happening? What's going on?
Where did they come from?
There, through the hydraulic chamber.
Captain, I think we found the problem.
Who are these people?
No, wait. He's injured. Something must have gone wrong.
Something must have gone wrong? Something must have gone... Are you kidding me? Of course something went wrong! You know, congratulations to both of you. Might have gotten us all killed, but as long as your conscience is clean, right, Helmsley?
Captain, let's get an emergency team down there. I'll meet them at the hydraulics chamber. You know your way around here?
Yeah.
Let's go.
1 minute to impact.
Captain, Choming Airfield's been hit.
Put me on emergency comm, Mr. Taylor.
Aye. You're on, Captain.
This is the captain speaking. We expect to be impacted by water shortly.
We need to go this way.
All you new passengers, hit the deck. Brace yourselves.
Excuse me! Brace yourself! Coming through, excuse me!
All stations prepare for impact.